Hello, this is Woodbridge. Today we'll be showing you how to reattach the LT610 top. So what you first want to do is reattach the easiest wire. So you'll have this female with a flat side, which will match up with the flat side on this male. So once that's attached, you do want to grab the nut that's on this wire and tighten it so as much as you can, hand tighten. Now the second thing that you want to connect is going to be this flushing wire. So you want to straighten out the top a little bit so you have room to insert this piece into this piece. So kind of have to go at an angle and hook that around that way. So once you have it that way, all you need to do is line this back up to where you get it in here. So let's do it one more time. Hook it around. Then you slide this into there. You have to make sure that's up and that's in there. So after you do that, you have two more connections that you'll need to make. You'll have this one and this one. So we'll do the easier one first. We'll hook this up to here. You have to make sure it's aligned properly. Grab the nut and make sure that's tightened all the way. Now once that's tightened, you grab this one. So this one, as you can see, has a male with a gasket, which you need to insert here all the way. And then once you do that, you can then tighten up this nut. Now do as much as you can hand tighten, and then after you do so, you can finish up with a few turns using channel locks. And then after you do that, you can come over here and then you'll reattach these screws in here. So you put those back in there, make sure they line up, and then you'll finish them off with the Phillips head. And that's it.